Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc00000f0 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update drivers. How would we update drivers? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options, select optional updates, and if any optional drivers are present, then please install them. The third solution is to push bars higher for UAC. So search for user account control and go to change user account control settings, and then you need to push it higher to the third option, which is notify me only when apps are trying to make changes to my computer, not any lower than this, and then click on OK to save the settings. The next one is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here and then click on OK once again, and then click on delete files. The last solution is to uninstall a troublesome third-party software. Now, how do we do this? Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu, and then go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side. Select Installed Apps, sort them by date installed, and then try removing a third-party applications which were installed latest and see if it helps one by one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.